Good morning, students. Chapter 5, Balance of Payment. Today is the last lecture of it, and today I will discuss difference between appreciation and revaluation, depreciation and devaluation. So there is a difference between the two, although meaning is the same. Appreciation of a currency is the increase in value of domestic currency in terms of foreign currency when exchange rate is freely determined by the forces of demand and supply. So, it makes domestic currency more valuable, indicating loss of domestic currency is required to buy the foreign currency. So, for example, if value of rupee in terms of US dollar increases from rupees 70 to rupees 68 to a dollar, it will be called appreciation of Indian currency, because now we have to pay less rupees to buy $1. So, it is appreciation of Indian rupee and depreciation of American dollar. And appreciation and revaluation both means rise in value of foreign currency, rise in value of currency, but revaluation is done in the fixed exchange rate system. Although both convey the same meaning, rise in value, but revaluation take place by government order in fixed exchange rate regime, whereas appreciation occurs in flexible exchange rate regime in a free exchange market, depending upon the forces of demand and supply of currency. And opposite terms are depreciation and devaluation. Depreciation, fall in value of domestic currency in terms of foreign currency under a system of market determined by the forces of demand and supply. And devaluation is done by the government to make it expensive, to make it cheaper and to increase our exports. Devaluation करके हम अपनी करेंसी की वैल्यू को फॉल करते हैं, वैल्यू फॉल करने से हमारे गुड्स चीपर हो जाते हैं और हमारे एक्सपोर्ट्स जो हैं वो इम्पोर्ट से हायर हो जाते हैं. So, to obtain more foreign currency, sometimes devaluation is done by the government intentionally, and that is devaluation. And depreciation takes place automatically when foreign currency is appreciated and our currency is depreciated automatically. So, what is the impact on Indian imports? Since foreign currency becomes costlier in terms of domestic currency, it will lead to fall in demand for foreign goods and foreign currency. Similarly, tourism to a foreign country will be discouraged. And impact on exports, if value of a rupee in terms of a dollar falls from rupees 68 to 70, it means we have to pay more rupees to purchase $1. So, depreciation and devaluation, now I think the meanings are clear to you now. Devaluation is fall in value of domestic currency in terms of foreign currency under a fixed exchange rate system. So, when government of a country officially lowers the value of a currency in terms of foreign currencies, it is called devaluation. Depreciation is fall in external value of domestic currency when exchange rate is freely determined by the forces of demand and supply. So, one question is there, how can exports be promoted through the currency devaluation? So, devaluation, fall in value of domestic currency in terms of foreign currency, it promotes exports. How? Because when our currency is devaluated, our goods becomes cheaper and these are demanded more in foreign countries and we obtain more foreign currency by it. So, students, the syllabus of macroeconomics is over, and I hope that you would be making notes with the help of your textbook and NCERT books, and from tomorrow I am going to start revision work from chapter 1 of macroeconomics. So students, be attentive for revision also. That's all for today. Thank you.